Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to add background music in CapCut. Now, if I open my CapCut app, you will see I already have a project opened. Now on the bottom you will see a lot of options. Tap on Audio, and here if you click on Sounds, it will show you a lot of options from which you can choose your background music. Whether you want to use a music from the recommended library, you can also import from your device, you can link your TikTok account, and you can import music from TikTok. And here on the bookmark icon, you can save if you like a music and you would love to use that on your next video. Let's go to recommended and download a music from here. And if I click on the plus icon, it will add the music underneath my video. Now I can tap on the clip and split it or fade it. Fade in and fade out is how slow the music will start and at which point the music will start to fade at the end. I can choose to increase or decrease the volume. I can also add audio effects, like I can edit the bass, edit the echo, but those are for the pro option. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.